Welcome to I Want Paella channel. I'm Jay and today we're cooking the artichokes, broad bean and anchovies paella. The ingredients for this paella are paella rice, onion and garlic, chopped tomatoes, anchovies, broad beans and artichokes. Of course, as usual, we'll be adding the other paella ingredients such as paprika, paella mix and saffron. Today we're adding a vegan stock. So let's start making this artichoke and broad beans paella. Let's add the onion and garlic. iwantpaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, beer, wine, and much more. So don't miss out and come visit us at iwantpaella.eu. Let's add our chopped tomatoes. Let's add 300 grams to make 3 portions of paella. Let's bring in our broad beans. We're gonna add our vegetarian stock, 900 milliliters, to make the 3 portions. Let's shake it a bit to distribute those ingredients. There you go. Let's add a bit of paprika. Let's add half an envelope of paella mix. A bit of salt. And let's add some saffron threads. Available at a store, iwantpaella.eu. There you go. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with all your friends. Okay guys, we've come to a nice boil. So we're gonna reduce our paella burner power down to 50%. We're gonna take this opportunity to add our artichoke hearts. There you go, 1, 2. Let's add the remainder of our vegetarian stock to finish cooking that rice. Alright, something like that. Lovely. Let's turn them over so they cook on both sides. Let's try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. That rice is around 50%, so we're gonna keep cooking until it's a bit more done. In the meantime, let's add our anchovies. Okay, let's reduce that paella burner power down to 30%. And let's give it a bit of a shake. Alright, something like that. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. That rice is around 70%, so we're gonna leave it cooking for a while. Let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. To try the rice, what I do is I put like 4 or 5 pieces in my mouth and I try to bite each one of them individually. And that's how I can tell how much that rice is cooked. So this rice is around 80%, so we're gonna leave it for another 2-3 minutes. Do you need paella equipment? Come to iwantpaella.eu. We have paella pans, we have the bananas, we have rice, we have the saffron, paprika, all the ingredients that you need to cook a great paella. Also, we sell grills, we sell Spanish wine, Spanish beer, and a lot more stuff. So don't forget, come check us out at iwantpaella.eu. Okay guys, our paella is done. I'm turning off the paella burner as we speak. I'm gonna give it the last shake and then I'm gonna bring it to our kitchen counter. There we go. Okay guys, so we have our broad beans, anchovies and artichokes paella. I'm gonna serve it on our plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, it's time to serve today's paella. Alright, some artichokes, some broad beans, a few anchovies. There you have it, a proper portion of artichoke, anchovies and broad beans paella. Okay guys, that's all that we have for today. Don't forget to log on at iwantpaella.eu and check out our blog and our recipes. That's all for today. Thank you very much. See you soon. Very soon.